Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the backup file, check its checksum and timestamp so you know it is complete. Once done, stop writes to the target database to avoid conflicts and put the system into maintenance mode. Make sure the target engine version matches the backup and allocate enough disk and memory for the operation. This prevents mid-restore failures. Now, prepare your restore command or GUI workflow and stage the backup file into the server's import directory. Don't skip this step. You execute the restore command with correct flags, specifying paths, users, and authentication. This is where precision matters. As the process runs, monitor logs and progress indicators to catch errors early, and watch resource usage so the server doesn't saturate. If your backup requires applying WAL or transaction logs, apply them in sequence to reach the desired point in time. Doing this ensures data consistency. Make adjustments to timeouts and buffer sizes if throughput is poor, and document any deviations from the plan. You complete the restore by running integrity checks and validating schemas. Spot check key queries to confirm data accuracy. Once satisfied, re-enable writes and closely monitor replication, latency, and transaction rates to ensure the system behaves normally. If replication lags or data seems missing, stop and inspect restore and WAL logs. Often a missed log or permission issue is the culprit. As a single troubleshooting tip, check error timestamps against your backup chain to find where application of incremental logs stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.